What's up, my super dilly? Are you just enjoying your foot bath? Yeah. Your waterfall bath. Daddy got it perfect, huh? Pours down here. And it's supposed to trickle down these things and make them spin. And this one pours here and gives us the rain waterfall. All right, honey? Hey, you enjoying that? Can I put my feet in there too?
You're too yucky. You're too yucky.
Hey, I love you.
Look on your face card.
I know. Daddy's feet are way too big.
Mine are big.
My feet are too big.
I'm getting my feet washed.
You washing your feet in your foot bath? Uh-oh.
What?
You got your whole chair wet.
What?
Your chair is wet.
Yeah, it can always dry in the sun.
You can dry in the sun. I love you, cutie pie. My feet are too big.
And dirty.
And dirty?
Yeah.
Well, I had to get them all dirty. It took a lot of work to build this waterfall of yours.
I'm getting my feet washed.
Here, let me get my foot in there.
Look at the other one. Watch this, Daddy.
All right. Wow. That's a big footprint. Oh. 2 handprints. Hey, say bye.